My workday used to begin, not with a clear purpose, but with a digital storm. Before I could even think about the creative tasks ahead, I had to open a floodgate of applications. My screen would quickly become a chaotic mosaic of browser tabs and open windows. There was the email client. Next came the dedicated calendar app. Then, the task manager. And let's not forget the note-taking app. This wasn't organization, it was a juggling act. Each app represented a silo, a walled garden of information that refused to speak to the others. I'd have a task in one app, the notes for it in another, and the deadline for it sitting in my calendar, a process that drained my mental energy. The feeling was one of constant low-grade anxiety. I felt like I was perpetually behind, not because I wasn't working hard, but because I was losing so much time in the gaps between my tools. I'd copy a to-do item from an email to my task list, block time on my calendar, hunt for research in my notes. This constant switching, this app hopping, stole my focus, my momentum, and most importantly, my time. The problem I faced is not unique, it's an epidemic in the modern workplace. We are led to believe that for every problem, there is an app. We download specialized tools for notes, tasks, calendars, communication, project management, thinking we are building a sophisticated productivity arsenal. In reality, we are building a labyrinth. Each new app adds complexity, another place to check, another cognitive load. We think we are saving time with the best tool for each job, but we fail to account for the time and mental energy lost in the transition between them. This phenomenon is known as context switching, one of the most insidious productivity killers of our time. Imagine you are a chef trying to cook a complex meal. Your salt in one kitchen, spices in another, vegetables in a third, pots in a fourth. You'd waste more time running than cooking. This is exactly what we do. We jump from email, to our task manager, to our calendar, to a cloud drive, each time forcing our brain to disengage and re-engage. Studies show it can take over 20 minutes to regain deep focus after a single interruption. Switching apps creates micro-interruptions. Too many tabs in your browser, in your mind, create continuous partial attention. Technology promised ease, but often made work fragmented. The solution isn't more apps, it's fewer, better integrated ones. My search for a better way led me down a rabbit hole of productivity blogs, software reviews, and expert forums. I was determined to find something more than a shiny single-purpose app. I needed a system, not just more tools. I stumbled on a category I call unified workspaces. Platforms that ask, what if all your work could live in one place? What if your tasks, notes, projects, and team collaboration coexisted in a single, interconnected environment? That was my lightbulb moment. The app that changed my work life, Nexus, was built to be that central hub. It wasn't a task manager with a notes tab tacked on, or a notes app with a clumsy to-do list, but a fluid, flexible space where information could be linked and organized together. The first time I opened it, I was struck by its simplicity. Clean, uncluttered, no barrage of buttons, like a quiet room waiting for projects and ideas. Nexus's philosophy: give building blocks, not rigid structure. I created a weekly content plan project, with a task list for a video, a detailed script document, a simple editing checklist, and an inspiration gallery, all linked together. Click a task, open the related notes, the context switching vanished. As I delved deeper into using Nexus, I saw its power wasn't a single flashy feature, but 4 fundamental pillars that solve fragmentation and distraction. It let me stop managing apps and start managing work. First pillar, the all-in-one dashboard, your command center. Projects, upcoming deadlines, most important tasks, and recent notes. One place, one glance. Instead of opening 5 apps, you open one. A single source of truth gives clarity and context for your day. Second pillar, smart automation. Repetitive admin tasks are handled by rules, saving clicks and mental energy. Create recurring agendas, send reminders for overdue tasks, move completed items to archive automatically. Third pillar, integrated collaboration. Assign tasks, comment in documents, @mention colleagues. Communication happens in context, not buried in email chains. Fourth pillar, seamless cross-platform sync. Desktop, tablet, phone, updates appear almost instantly. Capture an idea in line for coffee and it's on your laptop when you sit down. Your second brain, always with you. The single most impactful feature of a unified workspace like Nexus is its all-in-one dashboard. This is more than a home screen. It's your mission control. It's the first thing you see when you start your day and the last thing you check before you finish. Its purpose: to answer, what should I be focusing on right now? Before, answering meant a frantic scavenger hunt across apps. Now, it's presented on one clean, customizable screen, like a pilot's main display: altitude, speed, direction, fuel. You see the right signals in one place. My dashboard shows 3 things: a today view aggregating tasks due today, a calendar with scheduled appointments, and a quick notes widget for fleeting thoughts. No disconnect between your to-do list and your calendar. Tasks sit alongside your actual time blocks. If you see 5 big tasks but only 2 free hours, you reprioritize or reschedule immediately, reducing stress. As tasks complete, today clears, creating a satisfying feedback loop. You finish with clarity and a record of progress. The dashboard turns chaos into order. Automation can sound technical, but here it's simple and practical. Teach the app to do the boring parts so you can focus on creative work. Small automated actions compound, saving hundreds of clicks and dozens of hours a year. Every Friday, I run a weekly review. Before Nexus, it took tedious setup I sometimes skipped. Now, an automation creates a new page at 4 p.m., pre-populates the checklist, and adds complete weekly review to today. It's not just saving 10 minutes, it removes friction and makes the habit unbreakable. If a task moves to in progress, automatically assign it to me and start a timer for accurate tracking. If a task's due date is today and it isn't complete, change its priority to high. It's all triggers and actions. If this happens, then do that. New task created. Add tag, not new. Task marked done, move to archive. Begin with one rule, like a recurring task for plan tomorrow's tasks, and feel the system handle the mundane. To truly illustrate the impact, here's my weekly YouTube video process. Before this system, it took about 12 hours of fragmented work, ideas in a notebook, research saved into a separate notes app, script in a word processor, always hunting for what I'd already gathered. Checklists in a task app, long email chains with my editor, files bouncing through cloud storage, feedback disconnected from timestamps. Finding the final script or latest cut meant searching multiple platforms. Piling on stress and admin drag. Now, everything lives inside one Nexus project template I duplicate each week. The template includes the script document, a research subpage, and a step-by-step checklist from ideation to publication. I add ideas to a board, then write with script and research side by side. No hunting. By eliminating switching, searching, and disjointed communication, I cut production time from 12 hours to 6, a 50% reduction. We collaborate in context with time-stamped comments. My stress plummeted, and my creative quality improved. No tool is perfect. It'd be dishonest to present a unified workspace as flawless. Weigh benefits against drawbacks before you leap. The goal is a significant net positive, even if not perfect in every respect. Pros: a single source of truth. Your work, notes, tasks, and projects centralized, reducing complexity and search time. Reduced context switching drives improved focus and deeper work. Automation saves time and mental energy. Collaboration is streamlined. Cross-platform sync keeps your workspace with you, and the flexibility lets you tailor a workflow to your needs. Cons: some advanced features require a paid subscription. For me, the time saved is a high-return investment, but it's a cost. There's initial setup. Migrating workflows and learning takes effort. You can't download the app and expect it to organize your life in 5 minutes. As an all-in-one, it may not be the most powerful at a single niche. But for most, integration outweighs a few power user features. The system is more than the sum of its parts. Overhauling your workflow can feel daunting. The key is to start small and build momentum with a quick win. Use this simple 4-step plan this week and learn by doing on a real project. Step 1. Pick one thing for the upcoming week. A presentation, a newsletter, a vacation plan. With notes, tasks, maybe a document. Focus on one project as a safe sandbox for experimentation. Step 2. Create a project. Break it into small, actionable tasks with verb-driven names and due dates. Externalizing the plan brings clarity and control, a clear roadmap to completion. Step 3. Implement one automation, a recurring task or a rule that posts to your team chat when something moves to done. Step 4. Finish the week with a 10-minute review. Look at your dashboard, see what moved to done, reflect on what worked, and lock in improvements. This feedback loop builds confidence and reveals tangible progress. Following these 4 steps gives you a real taste of a more organized, focused way of working. We live in a world vying for our attention. The tools meant to empower us became sources of distraction, but it doesn't have to be this way. The solution isn't more hours, it's working smarter. Consciously design a system that serves you. Adopting a unified workspace is a powerful step. This isn't about a specific app, it's a philosophy. Consolidation over fragmentation. Create a calm central hub. Free your mind to think, create, and solve problems. By cutting key project time in half, I gain mental clarity, more creative energy, and control over my work. Ending a day knowing exactly what you accomplished and being ready for tomorrow is priceless. Don't just take my word for it, try it. This week, take the first small step. Download a unified workspace app. Many have robust free versions. Pick one small project. Follow the simple steps. Feel what it's like to have notes, tasks, and documents in one place. Choose to stop letting tools manage you. Build a system that supports your goals. Try it for 1 week and see how it changes how you feel about work.